Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video, y'all. And this video is the one. It's the one and the number two, okay? Y'all, I went to Tory and I'm so excited. I finally bought my first Tory Burch bag. I'm just gonna be telling you guys my experience, the price, the quality, and why I chose this bag that I have. But y'all, oh my goodness. I did get two things out of Tory. So I got a pair of earrings, which was absolutely beautiful. Listen, I was walking through the bag and they just caught my eye. So I was like, I have to have the earrings with the bag. And then I already got a couple of Tory Burch shoes. So it was really like self-explanatory. Like I needed this in my life. Like but I'm gonna show y'all what I purchased. So let's get into it. So y'all know I love when Tory gives me a what? A duster bag. Y'all know I love these bags. Like absolutely love them. This one actually has the Tory Burch name all over it. So on the straps. So that was actually a nice little touch. So the earrings was $148 and the bag was $568. We're gonna go ahead and open her up. Actually, wait, we're gonna do her after. Let's do this one. Let's save the best. Let's save the best for last, y'all. Okay, earrings first. So this is the small one that I got. These are the earrings. This is how the earrings look. There's nothing in the bag, but I just felt like these was absolutely stunning, beautiful. Like, baby, if making a statement was making a statement, it would be this. Like, if you wanted to make a statement, this is what they meant, because these are gorgeous. And I was gonna get the hoops, but the lady was like, oh, these just came out. And I was like, let me see those. And I literally held them. They're not heavy at all. Like my LV earrings, they're very heavy. Like that's why I wear them sometimes, but I be scared. Like I'm not trying to have my earlobe bust open, okay? So I have to get stuff that fits my ears and it's not gonna put too much weight on them, because no ma'am. These are very lightweight compared to the LV earrings. So I really love that about these. Like I said, they were $148. They are beautiful. I love the quality of them. I cannot wait to put them on. Like, get into it, please. Like, just get into it, y'all. Y'all, I did go to a consignment shop and I did see some Tory Burch pants, and I wanted to get them, but I didn't want to try them on. So I didn't get them. But now I'm a little like, girl, you should have just tried them things on. Yeah, I wasn't. You know how you go to a store and sometimes you just don't be in the mood to try on stuff? And this was not a regular consignment shop, y'all. This was like a rich Beverly Hills type consignment shop. They had like all of the Chanel bags, all of the Gucci bags, like Prada. It was giving a mini mall up in there, y'all. And if you want to know the name, just comment down below and I will post the name of the consignment shop. Like I said, it is in Naples, but it is very much worth it. Very nice, very, very nice. And you could tell that they only take quality stuff, so that's a good thing. We're getting down to the nitty gritty, okay? I absolutely love shopping with Tory just because of the quality of all of their items. I've never had a problem with them at all. And I think I first purchased my Tory Burch shoes like 5 years ago. Still wear them. No threads missing, no stains, no mold, nothing, no leather is tearing, nothing like that. So I do say that Tory is a quality designer for sure. 10 out of 10. The bag that I picked is really nice. You could tell that they focused on like different, I want to say they focused on like, from the one that I wanted, the one that was $348 that I showed y'all on the picture, that one was cute, but you could tell with this one, they made it more of like that pillow effect, that fluffiness, and that's what I really wanted, a fluffy pillow-like purse. And that's what this gives. And like I said, this bag is screaming just high quality. Like these straps are so heavy weight, like beautiful. Like come on, like get into the details. Like I cannot wait, y'all. I haven't worn it yet. I do plan on wearing it sometime next week, but I have not worn it yet. Now, what I am afraid of is just because the straps laying on the white, I don't know if that will cause like any type of damage to it, or if it scuffs it up. I'm not sure how that will work, because I do have some shoes from Carl, and I wore some jeans with those shoes, and the jeans material from my jeans like made my shoe blue, and I am absolutely heartbroken. So I don't know how to get it off. I might just go on YouTube University, because I swear you learn something new every day on YouTube. So they may have a way to get the stain off of my shoes. It's literally just a drop of blue jean material that kind of like scrubbed on the shoe. I don't know how. I guess maybe me taking it off, but I have to clean them because I haven't worn them since, because I'm so scared. But that's the only part I'm worried about on this bag. So I try not to put the chains inside the bag. Whenever I'm storing it, I put it outside. But as you can see, it's still gonna lay on that part. So that's the part that scares me a bit. But yeah, let's get into it, y'all. So like I said, this purse was $568. Absolutely stunning. Screams quality, screams, it's just giving rich auntie. I'm a rich auntie right now. Like, not auntie, I'm a rich auntie. Auntie, don't leave the A out, okay? Just put the U, okay? Like, this is what this is giving. And I just cannot. Like, oh my, I could sleep on this thing. This thing is so soft. Oh my goodness. Like, it's just so plushy. Like, yeah. And then, like, just get into the detail of the teeth. You can't tell me them earrings ain't from the snap with this thing. Come on. And the thing about this bag is you could wear it like, 2 straps, right? However, if you want it to be longer, you know what you could do? Put 1 strap down. There you go. Now it's longer. You could wear this as a crossbody. You could wear that, you ain't about a hoochie mama. You had a little scraps like this. You know how y'all mamas was wearing y'all their purses. You know how my mama was wearing her purse. Little straps. Like, it's just giving, like, this is so, oh my God, y'all. This is so freaking cute. It's not cute. I can't even say it's cute. It's beautiful. I just got to express that. And I'm over here talking with my hands because I'm just absolutely I'm gagging over this bag, y'all. Like, I absolutely cannot take it. It's just so stunning. It does have the magnetic strip right here, so you don't have to worry about trying to snap something in a little clip. All you have to do is just boom. There you go. See how that snap back? Boom. Clapping on y'all ass. Period. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get into the inside real quick, because I'm a girl that loves to have space. I don't like a purse with this much space in there. Like, that is too little for me. I'm a big girl. Like, I need like 2-3 pockets in my purse. Let me not in my pocketbook, girl, because I'm auntie now. In my pocketbook, I need 2 or 3. I need about 2 or 3 little storage compartments, okay? So if you open up this, it does have a reasonable size pocket right here. So this is one. So I could keep all my loose bills right here, my receipts. I'm a clean girl when it comes to my purse. I have like little organizers that I put in my bag, just so stuff don't be everywhere, because I don't like that. When I'm trying to find something, you trying to find a 20, but you find 100, and your kid's like, oh, can I have that then? No, ma'am. I need the bills separated with the little sticky note to say what is what. No. I don't need them in my business like that, okay? So this is going to be perfect, absolutely perfect for when I need to put my cashier receipts here. I do have a little Ziploc bag that I use in my bag for like my makeup, little small stuff like lip liner, my lipstick that I'm wearing that day. This does not have the back pocket on here, which would have, I guess, it would have been a nice touch to have the back pocket, but I see why they didn't, because they wanted to keep it kind of classy. But y'all, absolutely love the bag. It's stunning. Probably gonna wear it, like I said, in a week or so when I go out. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And they do have a little tag on here for y'all. It says, due to delicate nature of this product, please handle and store with care. That means put this in a duster bag, ladies. Okay? Don't be having this with your other bags, and then a little transfer get on the bag and you be crying. Please don't do it, because I've done it before, so please don't do it. And now I done gave the bag to my daughter, because she don't know. She don't know until this day what's going on with the bag. Y'all, I didn't even know it did that. But the fact that it did do that is like mind blowing, because baby, it's giving cutesy. But that is a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I always enjoy recording them for y'all. Make sure y'all already know, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace, y'all. I'll see you in the next video.